In this video, I'll guide you through how to install extensions in LibreOffice, making your experience with this powerful Office suite even more versatile and tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking to add new functionalities or enhance the existing ones, extensions can significantly improve your workflow. So let's dive right in and see how you can easily install them. First, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. This is your starting point, and from here, you can access all the different tools and features that LibreOffice offers. If you haven't already installed LibreOffice, make sure you've downloaded it from the official website to ensure you're using the latest, most secure version. Once LibreOffice is up and running, click on the Writer document. This is LibreOffice's word processing tool similar to Microsoft Word. Even though we're using Writer as our example, you can access extensions from any LibreOffice application, whether it's Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations, or others. Now, with Writer open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a menu bar. Click on Tools. This menu houses a variety of options that allow you to customize and control your LibreOffice experience. From here, it's a simple process to access the extension manager. In the Tools menu, you'll find an option labeled Extensions. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Extension Manager, which is your hub for all things related to extensions within LibreOffice. Here, you can manage installed extensions, check for updates, and of course, add new ones. Next, you'll want to select the extension you're interested in. If you already know the extension you wish to install, you can search for it directly. If not, you can browse through available options to find one that suits your needs. Once you've found the extension you want, click on it to proceed with the installation. After selecting your desired extension, and look for the download button. Clicking this will initiate the download and installation process. Depending on the size of the extension and your internet connection, this might take a few moments. Once downloaded, the extension will be installed automatically, and you'll be prompted with any additional steps if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully installed an extension in LibreOffice. By following these steps, you can easily add new features to your LibreOffice suite and enhance your productivity. Remember, extensions can greatly expand the capabilities of your applications, so don't hesitate to explore the vast array of options available to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your LibreOffice experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy extending!